The sprinkle is not getting the water all the way here in the bushes, so I see some dying. So I just we're gonna water with the hose, and my big helper, she's my great helper. Teach them young age. Hey, she's learning. Yeah, she's doing a great job. I know the sprinkle, but it's just for the grass, but it wouldn't go all the way there, and I've noticed they're dying. They're turning yellow. But I'm gonna try the sprinkle when we go out. But she'll play and make a mess. Maybe later when we come back. Once she pulls sprinkle, I have to give her a bath. Anyway, having fun? Sarah, are you having fun? No, Mom. Mommy is not ready. She loves working, just like a daddy.